Hello, Ken here today, and I'm going to do a short video on instructions on how to use our AC-LHC2. So these are like a lanyard or carry handle holders, and these go onto a clamp between the knob and the clamp half. So basically you'll take these out of the package. There are some instructions here. They give you a little idea on how to put it together, and there's a picture. There should be a link here to a video, which is the one we're doing right now. So that's going to be added to this very soon, and then you could just go to that and watch the video and put these on. So anyways, what you're going to do is you take your clamp, you take the knob, take that off, take that thick washer off, put a thin washer on, put this on. So they are a little tight and snug, but there's a reason for that. If they're loose, they might start working, but as far as them being snug, they're perfect. They'll fit a 1/4-inch bolt or smaller. So now we did, yes, 2 washers that put this back on, and then you can take, this is a 1/2-inch hole, you can take the carry handle, you can attach it to that. If you have one on the other side, you pick up your camera rig and you can walk around with it. It works out really good. I came up with this design for myself because I don't like clamping it on here, because all it does is wear away the anodizing, and some people will clamp it to like an arm, and I don't really care to do that. So I thought there's got to be an easy way to do it. This is real simple, it works, and other than that, happy diving and have a great day taking photographs.